Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to use SaneBox. Before getting started, let us know what is SaneBox and what it actually does. SaneBox is an email management tool designed to help users to prioritize and organize their email inbox. It uses algorithms to analyze your email history and behavior to determine which emails are important and which are not. It automatically sorts your emails to different folders such as @SaneLater or @SaneNews, etc. to help you with a much more cleaner and organized email inbox. Now that you have set up your SaneBox, you must be still wondering on how to use it. So let us first get to know about the dashboard. Once you sign up for your SaneBox account, you'll get this screen. Right here, if you click on Digest, you'll get a summary of unimportant, unread emails in your Sane folders. Sane folders look like this. If you click on Do Not Disturb and add a time and date here in the box, in your email, SaneBox will create a new folder that is @SaneDoNotDisturb, and you will not get any notifications about the mails till the specified time that you put in the box. Now, if you view in folders, you can see the folders you want to enable or disable in your email, or even create a new custom folder by clicking on Create. The folder @SaneLater keeps the email which are not very important to you at the moment. So, this folder is for the emails that can wait later and have your attention later on. The folder @SaneNews organizes and keeps all the emails which contains all newsletters and advertisements. The folder @SaneCC organizes and keeps all the emails you are CC'd on. @SaneBlackHole folder takes all the annoying repeating emails inside it so you won't get any notifications for unnecessary emails. @SaneReceipts, this folder automatically keeps your bills and receipts, making your inbox less cluttered. So if you make a lot of transactions, then this folder is very helpful for you. As per your needs, you can select as many folders you want to add. By clicking on or off, you can enable or disable the folders. There are more folders which you can choose from right below. You can even train SaneBox according to your needs. For example, let's say SaneBox keeps your receipt mails in the @SaneLater folder, but you actually want the mail in the @SaneReceipts. So you can just drag that specific mail and put it into your desired folder. By doing this, you can train SaneBox, and now in the future it will organize files as you trained it to do, and it will always keep mails like that in the specified folder. If you click on the Deep Clean, here you can choose from when SaneBox should scan and then remove all the junk and unnecessary emails. For example, if I type the date April 1, 2023, then SaneBox scans emails older than April 2023 and takes out the unnecessary ones. Usually emails with big attachments that are not currently in use are the ones that eat up most of the space, so SaneBox just finds out those many emails and removes them. In the Settings tab, you can view profile details, your billing details, security details, etc. So this is all you need to know on how to use SaneBox. For now, this much knowledge for you to use SaneBox is more than enough. Overall, SaneBox aims to simplify email management, reduce inbox clutter, and improve productivity by ensuring that only the most important emails receive your immediate action. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share, and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.